Hi there, today we're unboxing a portable projector. So this particular projector has a lumen value of 1800, gives an aspect ratio of 4:3 and 16:9, which is widescreen then. Has a contrast ratio of 2200 to 1 and a projection distance of 1.2 to 4. So they generally recommend for best effect a 2-meter distance. So let's have a quick look around the packaging. So nicely packaged there, nothing there. Basic details, color, so I guess it's probably available in white and black. A weight 1.5 kilograms and a pack size. You got system support there, so there's different sort of things you can link it up to. It has HDMI, so obviously the standard sort of HDMI things can connect to it. Basic details about the company, and finally you got details about the LED itself. So it has a life of 30,000 hours. There you go. Let's open it up and have a look inside the packaging. Yummy feeling. Interesting. Okay, got a nice little compact remote there. Basic functionality on there, which is good. That's all you need, nothing more than that. Interesting, they give a nice HDMI cable, a flat cable as well. Don't see that often. Feels of good build quality really. Let me give a bit of a close-up on that. Quite a good solid feel to that. Got the actual power adapter for it, and got a phono connector for S-video. That's good. Got the warranty card and the actual projector itself and a manual. So that's good. Nothing else in there, as you can see. Let's move that out of the way. Let's have a good look at the projector then. So got a little cover on the actual lens there. Quite a loose cover there. It'd be nice if it sort of clipped on. I guess it's sufficient. Doesn't easily pop off, but I guess I would have preferred it was a bit more secure. Obviously the adjustments there. Got some grills obviously for the fan, just around here and there. Okay, controls for it are just up here. See if I can show that clearly. Actually it's the other way around. Okay, power button there, enter there, arrows there. Looks like a menu button. Okay, that's that. Let's have a look at the back. So audio, so for headphones, infrared, obviously for the remote. So it's interesting to see if it's got an infrared at the front. It doesn't have anything at the front, so obviously it's got to get that signal from the back. So one of the ones I previously reviewed had one at the front and the back, which I thought was quite good. Okay, so USB, 2 of them there. Got one HDMI connector, a VGA connector, and a DC in. So there you go. Quite a nice compact size to it. Let me grab a ruler and then we can quickly show the actual dimensions of it. So it's about 19.5, could say just under 20 wide, 20 centimeters by around 15 centimeters, and then the depth is, say, from around there, about 8 centimeters. So very nice and compact. just to show, on the back of the projector, we've got a screw hole there if you want to mount it on a ceiling, and quite nice, it's actually got a bracket to be able to adjust it to prop it up at an angle. Quite nice. I don't normally see these on projectors, so nice little feature there. Okay, so let's set it up and give it a trial run and see what the quality is like. Okay, so we've set up the projector. I've put it in my dining room, so just on the table, and I've boosted it up with some thick catalogues and some coasters just to give it that extra angle, just to get it fully on the wall. Now I've actually plugged in my Chromecast at the back, so I've made use of the HDMI and the USB, so only one power source is needed, which is there and it's plugged in. Okay, so let's power it on, and initially let's see what the noise levels are. Okay, very loud speaker on there actually. Sound wise, it's about average. Nothing too crazy loud or anything, so quite good. So obviously this is the evening, I've got the lights on in the room, so let me show what the picture quality is like. And you can barely see anything, to be honest about this. And now let me try turning the lights off. And there you go, instantly clearer. So good, not too bad. Let me set up the camera and then we can go for the menu options on this and see what we have on there. Okay, so the camera's in position. Let's hit the menu button and let's see what options we have available on this. So clarity wise, it's okay, it's not too bad. It's just the brightness doesn't seem very high on this. Obviously being 1800 lumens, it's okay, but not quite there, if you know what I mean. So picture mode first of all. So this currently on dynamic. Let's go through the different modes. Gets darker. User is that. So okay, yeah, that's not bad. Let's go back if possible. Color temperature, so you can adjust different color values. Okay, let's go aspect ratio. Okay, set to auto. You've got 4:3 and 16:9 on that. Okay, and then noise reduction. Currently on middle. Okay, let's leave as that. And PC setting there. If we go here, different connectivity options. So you've got USB 1, 2, HDMI, AV, and PC RGB. Okay, quite easy. Basic options there. So next thing, let's pick a video and I'll play something and let's see what that quality is like. Okay, so just started one of my videos now. You turn the sound down on there. Speaker is pretty loud on here. Reasonable. We'll play some music from it in a bit. Quality wise, not bad. Again, the brightness isn't quite there. It's good, it's sufficient. It does look a little bit pixelated, if I can tell. Yeah, it is a little bit pixelated, so I can see some of that. Let's forward along a little bit, see a bit more. Let's turn the sound off on that. So it's not bad, really. It is usable. I guess you could watch a movie off this. And I guess enjoyment wise it would be fine, really. So there you go. Let's test the speaker out. See if I can find a video with some music in. We can actually test what the speaker's like. Okay, so here's a video with some royalty-free music. Let's see what that's like. Volume levels are okay. Bass wise it's okay as well. Yeah, nothing astounding, obviously being such a small unit, nothing to be surprised about. But yeah, if you wanted to play something directly without having cinema sound or anything like that, I think it is sufficient, the sound. Picture quality wise, again, it's okay. Probably the video doesn't give it justice. Probably looks from what I can see on the actual camera screen, it does look a little bit lighter on the wall itself, but on the camera I'm seeing it as being slightly darker. So there you go. Let me play one more video, see if I can get something with a few more colors on the screen, and that will give you a better idea. Okay, so this is another one of my videos. Street market in Krabi in Thailand. Good amount of colour in here. Let's skip along a little bit. There you go, colour levels aren't bad. Sharpness isn't bad, but I can see it slightly pixelated on the wall. So it isn't perfectly sharp, but it's actually sufficient if you wanted to watch a movie. And it does feel like there's a slight lag. You know, you can see it struggling a little bit with the fast movement. There you go, you can just see it there. Okay, so that's given a good idea of how it performs. Okay, so you've seen the projector unboxed, you've seen the items that you get with the projector, you've seen it in action, you've seen the connectivity options on there as well. Performance wise, I think it was okay, nothing amazing. I think it's probably let down a little bit by the lumen value. If it was higher, I think you'd get better brightness on the actual screen. Picture quality wise, it's okay as well. A little bit blocky from what I noticed, and it was struggling a little bit with the picture just to keep up, you know, just to get this smooth flow on there. But it is a good portable projector for the price you're paying. I think it's around the £70–80 mark. You're getting a good portable projector there. So there you go. I hope it's helped anyone thinking of purchasing this. Thanks for viewing, and don't forget to like and subscribe.